Hi everyone, welcome to Nasha's Art. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to use a compass and improve your skills in drawing perfect circles. The first thing to note is that all compasses have an attachment to put in your pencil. For me personally, I prefer the attachments with the screw because it's wide enough to fit a pen as well. Some of the other compasses can only fit a pencil and it's not wide enough to fit a pen. That's just my personal preference. So once you load your pencil on, making sure of course that the end is sharp, you twist to secure. Now one important thing is to make sure that your pencil and the point of the compass are level. So you can see my pencil is slightly higher up, so I need to move it down so that it's level with the point. That looks about right. Now the next step is how to hold the compass. So the top bit is your handle, and what you want to make sure is that the pencil is shorter than your handle, otherwise it will keep hitting your hand as you try to turn around. So the best way to practice is to hold it with your fingers up like this and practice just twisting it round in the air first. Once you feel that you've done that a bit, you can have a go trying to do your first circle. So you need to plant the point firmly in the paper and do that same twisting action. You can start small and twist around gently until you get more confident. And after a while, you might be able to twist it all the way around to get a full circle. I've gone ahead and loaded in a marker pen into my compass, and now we can use our skills to draw lots of different overlapping sized circles and start creating a little bit of abstract art just using circles. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. Change the size of your circles, so you have larger ones. You can have larger ones going around smaller ones. I'm going to try a really small circle now. These are always a little bit trickier because the compass and the pen are so close together, but if you take it slowly, it's easily done. There we are. Maybe we'll do a small circle out on the end. So now I'm putting my compass point on the circumference of this circle that I've already created. And I'm going to do another side circle. I'm going to do the same thing out here, going onto the circumference of this circle. Place my point on carefully. And perhaps I'll do a larger circle here so that it overlaps. Let's see how that looks. There we are. And maybe one smaller one at the end here to balance it off. There we are. Next step is to have some fun, do some patterns in the different circles and just have a bit of fun doodling. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, or find me at Nasha's Art on Instagram.